Okay, so we have here the curve. The equation of the curve is what? Y equal x power 3 minus 2x power 2 plus 5. Y equal x power 3 minus 2x power 2 plus 5. Okay? Then what should I do? Differentiate. Why should I differentiate? Because he said the stationary point, and whenever he asks for the stationary point, I will differentiate. So dy by dx equal 3x power 2, bring the power down and subtract 1 from it. It will be 3x power 2 minus 4x and then plus 5, and the differentiation of the constant equals 0. Now I have to take this 3x squared minus 4x and make it equal 0. Okay, what should I do next? I will take x as common factor. Okay, what will remain here? X. Okay, here x minus 4 in a bracket. Okay, just wait. Let me open this file again. Okay, so x minus 4 equals 0. So either x equal 0 or x equal 3x minus 4 equals 0. So from here, send the 4 to the other side by positive. So 3x equal 4, then x equal 4 over 3. So can you try this with the calculator to make sure? I'm going to do mod 5, 3. Then 3 equal negative 4 equal 0 equal. Then I will have x equal 4 over 3 and the other x equals 0. Okay, done for now. Did I finish or should I do something else? Did I finish?
We have to substitute because he wants the coordinates.
Yes, he said find the coordinates, all of it, not only the x coordinates. So I have to substitute. Okay, substitute where? Substitute here in the question. So y equal, instead of x power 3, I am going to write 4 over 3 power 3 minus 2 4 over 3 power 2 plus 5. Okay, and to get y, and another time it will be 0 power 3 minus 2 0 power 2 plus 5. From here, this is at x equals 0 and this is at x equal 4 over 3. From here, x equal y equals 0, and from here we can do it. It will be 103, I think, minus 2. Yeah, it will be 103 over 27. You got it? So the 2 points will be 4 over 3 and 103 over 27, and the other point 0 and 5. This is 5. If I write something wrong, just tell me. Okay? Any problem till now? Okay?
No.
Okay. Okay, this question, you remember this question?
Yes, we're gonna use the rule of y2 minus y1 squared plus x2
Yes.
minus x1 squared.
Yes, that's what I'm going to do. Do you remember the rule of the distance? Okay, if he wants the length of AB, that means he wants the distance. What is the rule of the distance? The distance equal, I will write the full rule here. Two brackets like this. Y2 minus Y1, X2 minus X1. Okay? Okay, so let's do this. So AB equal two brackets squared. Here is x1, y1. Here is x2, y2. Should I start with the difference of y? Can I start with the difference of x? Yes, you can start with the difference of x as well, yani no problem. Okay, so it will be what? Negative 2 minus 6, and here 7 minus 4. Okay, and you can do it also on the calculator. While you are doing it on the calculator, because I thought I saw this in most of you calculators, like do not make sure that all the two brackets you are writing under the root. So it will be what? Root 185. Don't ever write a final answer in the exam using the root. You have to do it as fraction or a decimal, but never write it using a root, and do not write root 185 like this. So it will be 13.6, for example. Okay? Any problem? Okay, for this question, it's telling you what? The area of triangle PQR is 38.5 centimeters square. Calculate the length of QR. How to calculate the length of QR? What do you think I should do? What do you think I should do?
We can, and
We
if
can
we
do
find
it.
the angle, we can find the side.
Say again, sorry?
We can find the angle and then find the side.
We can find the angle, then find the side. So how could I find the angle? Look here, whenever he give me an area like this, what should I say back? This triangle is right angle triangle or not right angle triangle? Do you have 90 here or not?
No,
No, so if an area is
not right.
given, so yes, if an area is given, I will use one rule of two, which are what? I will use half multiply by base multiply by height, but this if I have base perpendicular or on height. And the other rule of the area, which is half multiply by side, multiply by side, multiply by sine, the angle in between. So this triangle is not, I don't have what? I don't have perpendicular in it. So I am going to use the other rule, which is half multiply by side, multiply by side, multiply by sine, the angle between them equal what? Equal the area. Let's substitute. Which two rules, which two sides I'm going to use? I have only these two sides. That mean I can get this area, which is, I will call it x. Okay, which this angle, which is x. So half multiply by 9, multiply by 10, multiply by sine x equal the area, which is what? 38.5. Okay, now I'm going to calculate it. Half multiply by 9 multiply by 10, 45 multiply by sine x equal 38.5. Now this 45, send it to the other side by dividing. So 38.5 divided by 45, so sine x equal 77 over 90. Now, what should I do to get x? It will be sine inverse 77 over 90. 77 over what? 90. Then do it on the calculator. It will give you, so x equal 58.82. Any problem?
In the exam, do I have to write all of this, or can I just use shift solve?
Look here, but this is a good question. uh, in most of the calculators, sometimes using shift solve in an equation containing sine, cosine, or tan, يعني the calculators in front of my eyes didn't get the correct answer. So in the equations of sine, cosine, tan, I prefer to make it yourself. Okay, or something, but if you don't get confused, you will put instead of sine x all of it x. So you will get this from the calculator. Then complete manual. Okay, يعني sometimes if he has to make sine inverse or cosine inverse or tan inverse inside the equation, sometimes it's not correct. Okay, but as you want.
But
Now I
no,
get
teacher,
x. Yeah, sorry,
my
say.
question isn't for this question in specific. It's in general. How much of
Yeah,
my work do I have to show?
look here, but I want to tell you something. If, for example, for this question, if I got sine x direct equal that, خلاص, no need. I did my work. How I wrote the equation and I substituted in it correctly, and then I got the answer. So you will take the full credit here. But for example, if you are solving two equations together, two linear equations, you can put them in upside, that you can put them after each other. Then you cannot go use the calculator direct multiply one and get the x equal and y equal. At least you have to do the steps. For example, if in the question you are supposed to use general formula, you cannot use mod 5.3 direct without writing the rule and substituting in it and show him that you use the general formula. You got it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now back to our question. Now x equal 58.82. What should I do next? I should go to the question here. I got this equal 58.82. Calculate the length of QR. How to calculate the length of QR? Using what? Yeah.
Cosine.
Yes, look here. It is not 90 degree. So if it is not 90 degree, that means I cannot use the ratios. No sine ratio, no cosine ratio, no tan ratio, no opposite, no adjacent, no hypotenuse. But this is, I can use sine rule or cosine rule. But how should I decide I use sine rule or cosine rule? We said that if we have only one complete ratio, what the meaning of one complete ratio? If I have a side and its opposite angle, directly use the sine rule. Okay, here I don't have any of these, so I will use what? The cosine rule. R Q square equal. Okay, let's start. Do not get confused, please, in this rule. Okay, RQ square equal. First, write the two sides squared. 9 square plus 10 square. Minus 2, open the bracket, 9 and 10 without square, cosine the angle in between, which is 58.82. That's it. So RQ equal. Calculate all of this and do what? The square root of it. So it will be 9 square. Look how to write it on the calculator also. 9 square plus 10 square. Then minus, open a bracket. Okay, 2 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 10 multiplied by cosine 58.82. And close the bracket of the cosine and the bracket you open. Press equal. I will get this number 87.88. Then shift. Shift. Root the answer. So it will be what? 9.37 centimeters. You got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Someone said yes or miss? Okay. طب look at this question. Tell me, what should I do?
Sine rule.
Yeah, he's telling me use the sine rule. Okay, so what is the sine rule? You see, very easy question with 3 marks. Yani fair enough. Okay, what is the sine rule? He wants to calculate BC, this one. So I will start with BC. BC over sine the angle in front of it, which is 30, equal the other side, which is 24, over sine the angle in front of it, sine 100. Okay, don't write direct 30 and 100. Don't forget to write sine. Now do what? Cross multiplication. Okay, then BC equal. You can do the cross multiplication as you want. Okay, I will, the one in front of it, I will write it down and then multiply them up and do it on the calculator. 24 sine 30 over sine 100. Don't forget to close the bracket of the sine because it will give you error. So equal 12.185. Any problem? Okay. Read this question. Question number 7. What should I do here? He's giving me this circle and write down the size of the angle OBA. Make sure that all the givens is you read it and they are written on the drawing. So you have this angle is 37 and AB equal 11. How to find the angle OBA?
It's 90.
Yes, it's 90. Look here بقى. يعني this is an advice, okay? يعني take it or leave it. Always look at how many marks is supposed to be. This is 1 mark. 1 mark means it is something you have to get it like this, direct. First of all, no space for the answer. Second, it is 1 mark. That means it is without proof, without equations, without from here, from here, from here. Look here, OBA, angle OBA. Whenever I have a radius and a tangent, they are perpendicular on each other. Finish, done, 90. Finish. Okay, whenever I have what? A radius, the radius always perpendicular on the tangent from the point of tangency. Perpendicular on the tangent from the point of what? Tangency. Yeah, it is perpendicular on AB from B. So direct 90. Tak tak. No need to do anything. Okay. Now work out. And also look here in A, he said write down. Write down, that means something you know and you will write without any steps. Okay? B, work out the radius of the circle. What is the radius of the circle here? That means he wants BQ. How to do this, Ba? Using what? Using the ratio. Okay? Using what? The ratios. But I want to tell you something, Ba. You got that OBA is 90. So go direct here and write this what? This 90 on the drawing, because when you are going to think about another question, your eye will see it is 90, so you can use it. So here I have what? Right angle triangle. So I can use the ratios, which is sine, cosine, and tan. So how to decide which ratio I can use? According to the givens around the angle. Here, this is the given angle, which is 37. The required is what? The required is opposite, and the given is adjacent. The required is opposite and the given is what? Adjacent. So what should I do? خلاص, don't write hypotenuse or anything. Think only about the opposite and the adjacent. Which ratio using opposite and adjacent? Tan. So I have here tan 37 equal opposite over adjacent. Okay, then so from here r equal 11 multiply by tan 37. 11 tan 37. It will be what? 8.289. Any problem?
No.
Okay. Look at this question. Also use the sine rule. So what should I do? To find the angle ABC. Where is this angle? ABC. I cannot imagine that I still see some students cannot mention or decide where is the angle. Where is the angle? Look here, ABC. The angle is at B, the line in the middle. ABC. So here it is. Okay, I will name it X. So what should I do? The side in front of it, 5.9 divided by sine X equal the other side, which is 17.8 divided by sine 84.6. Then do what? Cross multiplication. So sine X equal down here 17.8 and up here 5.9 multiply by sine 84.6 and do it on the calculator. 5.9 sine 84.6, then down 17.8. So here equal what? This number. Don't write it but use it direct on the calculator. So X equals sine inverse this number. So X will be equal what? 19.27 degree, which is angle ABC. You got it?
Teacher,
Yeah.
if you are sharing the calculator, we can't see it.
No, actually, I'm not sharing. If you want me to share the calculator, it's okay.
No, it's okay.
If you want me to share it, it's okay. But sometimes when I share it, it makes lagging, so I didn't share it. I just used
Okay.
my calculator, yeah. Okay, any problem for this?
No.
Okay. This one, which rule should I use?
Cosine.
Yeah, cosine rule. Why did I choose to cosine rule? Because what? Because I have only one angle and it is already required. So no, I will not use in any way cosine rule. Okay? Because sine rule, at least one angle is given. Sine rule, at least one angle is what? Is given. So what should I do here? The same. I need X type. I will write the cosine rule. Look here, do I have to write the cosine rule as we used to, or we can use another form? Yes, there is another form for using if the
Sine
angle
rule.
is required. Yeah, there is another form of, yeah, look here. In this question, we used cosine rule, right? Back here, we used what? Cosine rule. This is cosine rule. If the required is the side, we write it like that. Okay, we write it what? Like that. But if here the angle is required, so cosine X equal, do like this. Up here, start with the legs of the angle and leave the opposite to the end. So I will find here what? 11 square plus 5 square minus 13 square. So start with the two arms of the angle that is required. 11 square plus 5 square minus at the end the opposite one, 13 square, over 2 multiply 11 multiply by 5. Okay, if you do it on the calculator also, plus 5 square minus 13 square over 2 times 11 times 5. You get the answer, negative 23 over 110. Then what to do? Shift cosine, yeah, and get the answer. So X will be 102.07. Done? Any problem?
No.
Okay. Okay, for this equation, for this question, what should I do?
180 plus 140.
Yes, why? Look here, Bab. I'm going to tell you something. This thing is very common. You can do it direct. Can I do it direct? Yes, you can do it direct. Look here, Bab. If the question of the bearing is only using 2 points, يعني the simple question of bearing, like two things, 2 towns, 2 points, 2 everything, and he gave you the bearing of one, and the other bearing is the required. He give you what? The bearing of one, and the other bearing is what? Required. Okay, first I will do it in the traditional way. First I will draw it. Okay, I will put here point A and here point B, then do what? Join them like this. He said first the bearing of A from B. That means I am let me erase it. Let me draw it again. Here A. No. Like this. Okay, he said what? The bearing of A from B. That means I'm standing on B and looking to A. So I'm standing here on B and looking to A from the right side like this. This is what? 140. Any problem? He needs to work out the bearing of B from A. He needs this. What should I do? Is it correct or wrong? Students?
Yeah.
No, it's not correct.
Yeah,
Look here.
Yes, we need
This
the
is the
other
common
angle.
mistake. Yes. This is the common mistake you do. Whenever he's telling me from A, that means I'm standing here. That means what? I'm standing here. If I'm standing here and I want to look at B, do not look like this. Wrong. You have to do what? You have from the north and clockwise like this. So this is the required angle. Again. Now I have what? I have the bearing of A from B. So here is 140. If he wants the bearing of B from A, that means I am looking up and I'm going to look from A, B. So I am going to look here clockwise until I reach B. Okay, how to get this angle? Hello? How to get this angle?
The angles and the interior one is at
Raise your
that
voice, please.
So wait,
40 minus 360. 360 minus 40.
Okay, yeah, I will get this first, which is 40, then this, which is 360 minus 40. Okay, it will be what? 320 degree. Any problem in this? Okay, can I tell you about something?
No.
Okay, let me tell you what this about. If you want to take it or leave it, as I always say, because it's only 2 marks. If the question about a bearing between only 2 points, if the question is about bearing only what? 2 points. He's giving you the bearing of 1 point to the other and needs the other point to this point, the bearing of it. Only what? Simple one, 2 points. Okay? If the given angle is smaller than 140, direct add 180. If the angle is smaller than 180, direct add 180. The answer will be what? 320. Okay? And if the angle is greater than 180, so subtract 180. Shall I say it again?
Yes, please.
Okay, look, Maram. But this is applied in when the question is very simple, bearing between 2 points only. Given angle and he needs the other angle. If the given angle smaller than 180, add 180. You will get the answer direct without wasting time. طب if the angle is greater than 180, for example, the given was 200, so subtract 180. So the other bearing is 20. طب can I use it direct? Yes, you can. Okay? Done?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay? Here. Why I am saying that back? Because it is a simple question with 2 marks. يعني 80% of you, if you draw if you did a mistake in the drawing, you will confuse yourself, you will not complete the question well. So خلاص, it is easy, plus or minus 180 according to the number. Okay. Question number 11. What do you think about this? Look here, he's giving you AB is a chord of length 12 centimeter and M is a midpoint of AB. Okay, so if this is all 12 centimeter, that means this is 6 and this is 6. Why? Because it is at the midpoint. Okay, then he's telling me OM is 4.5. Where is OM? This OM is 4.5. He wants you to calculate the radius of the circle. What is the radius here? OB or OA, whatever. This, if I join this, it will be the radius. Okay, what should I do here?
Pythagoras.
Teacher,
Yes,
it's a right angle, right?
say again. Sorry.
Is it a right angle?
Yeah, this is the question that I should ask you, not you ask me.
Oh,
I will
yeah,
use Pythagoras.
it is
Who said Pythagoras? Do you know it is right angle? It is right angle, but how it is right angle?
because there's a line in the center, like from the center.
Yes, look here. It is right angle. Why it is right angle? Because whenever you have a line and a chord, and this line bisects the chord. If it bisects the chord, so it is 90 degree. So it is what? 90 degree. So when he said that M is a midpoint, that means M in the middle. Whenever M in the middle, that means it is 90. So I can easily what? Use Pythagoras. So in the exam, do I have to verify for him that this is 90 to use Pythagoras? No. You can use Pythagoras directly. But in case he asked you about the angle, like the question we said, write down the size of this angle, so you know it is 90. Okay, so from here, how to get R? It is the root of 6 square plus 4.5 square. It will be 7.5. Okay, any problem? For this question, it is what? It is direct Pythagoras, yeah. Calculate the angle LMN. What should I do?
Cosine.
Yeah.
Yeah, cosine rule direct. Cosine rule direct with what? With M also, and do as we said. Okay, look at this question. The bearing of angle A from B is 227. This is simple pairing. Maram, that's what I was talking about. This is what? Simple pairing. Okay? So given point and needs the other point. But the angle given 227, is it greater than 180 or smaller than 180?
Smaller.
No, it is greater, wallah.
Oh, great.
127, it is greater than 180. So if you want this angle, it will be 227 minus 180 equal 47. Okay? Do you want me to do it? Look, I will say something before I will do it. Look here. Should I write 47 like this and run away?
No.
0.
Yes.
There has to be 0.
Yes. The bearing should be written in 3 digits. So if I have 2 digits, I will increase 0 here and then put the degree. Okay, I will do it in the traditional way, Bardo, in case you don't like this way. Look here, he's telling you A from B to 127. That means if I'm standing on B, looking to the north, twisting to the angle, clockwise like this will be what? 227. What do I need? I need this small angle. So what should I do? If I want to get the middle, what inside? It will be what? 227, 360 minus 227. I will get this. Students?
Yes.
Yes.
I will get this as 133. Then subtract 180 minus 133, you can get the 47. You got it? So if the given number here is greater than 180, subtract 180. If it is smaller than 180, add 180. Easy? Squeezy? Okay. Read this question. X is an obtuse angle and sine x equals 0.43. Find the value of x. You see, it seems to be very decent question, innocent question. What should I do? He's giving you sine x equals 0.74,
Solve
right?
it normally and choose the angle.
So what?
Solve it normally and choose the angle larger than 90.
Yes, look here بقى. I will solve it. Look from here. The first thing that it will come across my mind that sine x equal 0.43. So x will be equal what? Sine inverse 0.43. So x equal, if you did here sine inverse 0.43, you will get 25.46 or 47. Is it the answer? It is the correct answer?
No, you
No.
need to subtract
Why?
180.
Why is it not the correct answer? Because he said obtuse angle, and this is not obtuse angle. So what should I do? Look here بقى. This is not this question.
Subtract it from 180.
Yeah, subtract it from 180. طب who can tell me why especially subtracted from 180? Because we all know that according to the Aztec rule, according to what? The Aztec rule, the sign is positive in two quadrants. The first one and the second one. Okay, and the first one where we take the angle itself. So when we take the angle direct, and the second one which we do what? 180 minus the angle we got. So here, if this is the first one from the first quadrant, how to get the second one from the second quadrant? X equal 180 minus 25.47. So 180 minus the answer I got, which is 154.53. And this is an obtuse angle. You got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, look at question number 16. The diagram shows a cuboid with dimension 5.5, 8 centimeter, and 16 centimeter. Calculate the angle. Sorry. Calculate the angle between AB and horizontal base of cuboid. Look here, all of you. Most of you, 95% can solve this question. But the problem that sometimes they are confused in finding the angle. Yani if I showed them I want this angle, they will solve directly the question. Okay, so how to find the required angle? Look here, he said what? Calculate the angle between AB, okay, AB and horizontal base of the cuboid. Where is the horizontal base of the cuboid? The horizontal base of the cuboid, this one. Huh? The down, it is down here, this. Right? Right or wrong? This is the horizontal base. Whenever he says the horizontal base, go direct and draw the diagonal of this base. Go direct and draw what? The diagonal of this base. Okay, which diagonals? I have two diagonals, miss. Which diagonal? The diagonal that connecting the required line. So I have here two diagonals. I have here this diagonal and this diagonal. So which diagonal should I draw? The diagonal connecting AB. So I will draw this diagonal like this. Which angle? This angle. And go direct while you are imagining this angle and draw it outside like this. And I will name this C. So it is A, B, C. And this is 90. And this is 8 centimeter. And this is the angle I want. This should happen in the first 10 seconds after you read the required. Okay? Done? Okay. Then what should I do? I need to find another. I need to find what? Another side in this angle, in this triangle. AC or AB. So what should I do? AC or AB?
AC and use the
Yes.
Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, I will go through AC. Why? Because it is near the given. So how to find AC? I will use Pythagoras to find AC. So AC equal root 16.2 square plus 5.5 square. And use your lovely calculator. 16.2 square plus 5.5 square. It will be what? 17.1. Okay, centimeter. Go direct and write it here. AC 17.1. Now, what do I want? I want this angle. What should I do? This is 90 degree, so I can use the ratios. What do I have here? I have here the opposite and the adjacent. Which ratio should I use using the opposite and the adjacent? Tangent. So if I have tan A would be equal opposite over adjacent. Opposite over what? Adjacent. Then what should I do? Yes, tan inverse 8 over 17.1. So tan inverse 8 over 17.1 equals 20 angle equal. What's happening? The angle equal 25.07. I can write here 25.07. You got it? Any problem? Okay. Okay, for this question, number 17. What should I know? What should I do now? Calculate SR. How should I calculate SR?
Sine rule.
Yes, using the sine rule. Why
Sine
should I choose the sine rule? Because I have an angle which is 97 and opposite side which is 7.4. Okay, so this is easy. Then RQ, how could I get RQ? cosine rule because I have two sides and angle included. Okay, hello, this question.
It's an equilateral, so all angles will be 60.
Okay, equilateral, so what? So
All
it will
angles
be,
60.
yeah, equilateral, so all angles are 60. This is 60, and this is 60, and this is 60. Then what should I do? Let's put the given on it. The bearing of M from L. The bearing of M from L. That means I'm standing where? On L. Where is L? Here. And looking where? To M. So this is what? 103. Okay, then work out the bearing of L from N. Of L what? From N. How to find this? Where this one? The bearing of L from N. What should I do?
We're gonna add up 103 and 60, then add it to.
Raise your voice, please.
Add up 103 and 60, then add it
No.
to
I want to show where is it on the graph first. Where is the bearing of L from N?
Draw an arrow on N.
Yes, draw vertical line like this, showing the north from N. Okay, I will erase this 60 to not get confused. Then, where is it back? I want which angle? I want from N. That means I'm standing here and looking all that way till here. Any problem with this first?
No.
Okay, what should I do?
You find
the
the
same
angle of
thing.
M first.
You find what?
The angle of M, like
The angle.
180 minus 103, which is 77, and then minus 77 from 360, and then you get the outer part.
Okay. Any
It's
other?
just to do the same technique, just L and then.
No.
180 plus 103.
Plus what?
Plus 103.
If you got this, you will find what? No.
We're gonna add up 103 and 60, then add them to 180.
Yeah, 163 plus 180.
No, not plus.
Do you
Yes.
extend the line of
Look here. Yes.
straight line is
You will
180?
do what? Yeah. You will add them, both of them first. You will add both of them first. 103 and 60. If you add them, it will be what? 103 plus 60, 163. So all of this equal what? 163. If you got this 163, can you got this one, this new one, this small one? Or you can direct add what? 180. We said that if it is smaller than 180, you can what? Add 180. Okay? So if you add 180, it will be 343. You got it? Shall I say it again? Again. Now we added this. Both of them equal what? 163. We said that the bearing, if it is 163, smaller than 180, so add 180 to get the other bearing direct. So 163 plus 180 equals 343. If I didn't get this in the exam, okay, do it as traditional way. I have here what? 163. So this, subtract from 180, this will be 17. Then subtract from 360 to get the reflex angle, it will be 343 as it is. Okay, done? Okay. Okay, look at this question. A cuboid measures 24, 12, 8 centimeter. Calculate the length of diagonal of the cuboid. What should I do?
Just use Pythagoras twice.
That's it. I'm going to use Pythagoras twice. Look here, I'm going to draw it to know if you are not imagining it. Look here. This is my cuboid, cuboid, okay? I have what? 24, 12 by 8. This is 24, this is 12, and this is 8. I want what? The diagonal of the cuboid. Where is the diagonal of the cuboid? This one. Look, I will do it in another color. Joining this corner by this corner. Like this. Okay? So first I will join this. I have this is 8. Okay? If I got this one, I will use Pythagoras. So this is the triangle that having the diagonal. I have, for example, here A, B, C. Okay? So this is A, C, and this is D. This is 8. Okay? And I want this. So I have to get AC first. How to get AC? Go and get AC from Pythagoras here. Go and get what? AC from Pythagoras here. So 24 square plus 12 square equal 12 root 5. So this is what? 12 root 5. Then what should I do?
How do I know which side is the height, length, or width?
Look here, we usually the first two for the base, then it is the height. But you know what? If you did it, reverse it, it will give you the same answer. Okay?
Same mark? Okay.
Okay, so here, use again Pythagoras. So this is a square plus 8 square, all of this square rooted. It will be what? 28. So the answer is what? 28. You got it?
Yes.
Okay. Question number 20. The bearing of B from A is X. And the bearing of A from B is Y. Okay? And the relation between X and Y, 2 to 7. Calculate the value of Y. What do you think I should do?
Find y in terms of x.
Then?
Is it the first step? Is it like 360 minus bracket 180 minus x?
Yes, I can do this. Correct. And also, I can use what we just said. We said that if X is smaller than 180, what to do? What to do to get the other one?
Add 180.
180. So yeah, so I can use that X plus 180 equal Y, right?
Yes.
Okay, then what should I do? Look
Y
here.
equals. Wait.
That's why can I just do 7/9 times 360?
7 over 9. I can do this also because, but both of them, the sum of them 360.
Oh, no.
The sum of them, not
Teacher.
360. But look,
X.
Ahmed, I can do the same. I can use the ratio as you said, but without using 360 because the sum of them, not 360. Look here what I'm going to do.
2x plus 8
Okay,
plus 180.
what about naming that? I will say that this is 2a and this is 7a. A, B, whatever. Okay, this is 2a and this is what? 7a. So 2a plus 180 equal 7a. Okay, then send 2a to the other side. So 5a equal 180. So from here, a equal what? 180 divided by 5, which is 360. خلاص, done. If you want y, which is 7a, equal 7 multiplied by 360, which is 252. Shall I say it again? Again. If I have a ratio between two things, which is 2 and 7, which is what? Like this, x and y, 2 and 7. I can say that x equal to any number, a, and y equal 7a. So x equal 2a and y equal 7a. We said that, we got this equation, we said that if the x is smaller than 180, just add 180 to be equal y. So x plus 180 equal y. And instead of x, I'm going to put 2a. Instead of y, I'm going to put 7a and solve the equation. Send 2a to the other side by minus. It will be what? It will be 5a equal 180. So a equal 36. If he wants x, multiply 36 by 2. If he wants y, multiply 36 by 7. Any problem? Any problem for now? Students?
No problem.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Can